Welcome to another episode of Decor Zone, your go-to destination for furniture design inspirations. Decorating with wood lamps offers a multitude of benefits that extend beyond mere functionality. In the realm of interior design, lighting plays a crucial role in shaping the ambience and overall aesthetic of a space. Wood lamps, in particular, bring a unique warmth and character to any environment, making them a popular choice among homeowners and designers alike. The use of natural materials like wood in lighting not only enhances the beauty of a room, but also contributes to a sense of comfort and well-being. One of the primary advantages of incorporating wood lamps into home decor is their natural aesthetic appeal. Wood has a timeless quality that can seamlessly blend with various design styles, from rustic and traditional to modern and minimalist. The organic textures and grains of wood add depth and visual interest to a space, creating an inviting atmosphere. Whether it's a sleek, contemporary lamp with clean lines or a more ornate, carved piece, wood lamps can enhance the overall decor by providing a natural focal point. Hello there again. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of creative wood lamp ideas to decorate your living spaces. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In addition to their aesthetic benefits, wood lamps can contribute to the overall health and well-being of a living space. Natural materials, including wood, have been shown to have a calming effect on individuals. The warmth of wood can create a sense of tranquility and comfort, making it an ideal choice for areas intended for relaxation, such as living rooms, bedrooms, or reading nooks. The soft glow emitted by a wood lamp can help create a cozy environment, perfect for unwinding after a long day. Furthermore, wood lamps can positively influence the mood and atmosphere of a room. Lighting is a powerful element in setting the tone of a space, and the type of lamp used can significantly impact this. Wood lamps often emit a warm, diffused light that can soften harsh edges and create a more inviting environment. This gentle illumination can foster a sense of intimacy and connection, making spaces feel more welcoming for family and guests alike. Another benefit of decorating with wood lamps is their versatility. Wood lamps come in various shapes, sizes, and styles, allowing them to fit seamlessly into any room. Whether you need a statement piece for a large living area or a smaller lamp for a bedside table, there is a wooden lamp to meet your needs. This versatility makes it easy to incorporate wood lamps into a variety of design schemes, whether you're aiming for a cozy cabin feel or a sleek, modern aesthetic. Moreover, wood lamps can be both functional and decorative. Many designs incorporate additional features, such as adjustable brightness levels or built-in USB ports for charging devices. This blend of practicality and style makes wood lamps an excellent investment for contemporary living spaces, where functionality is increasingly important. Choosing lamps that serve multiple purposes can enhance the utility of a room while maintaining an attractive design. Sustainability is another significant advantage of using wood lamps in home decor. As consumers become more conscious of their environmental impact, the demand for sustainable and eco-friendly products continues to rise. Wood is a renewable resource, especially when sourced from sustainably managed forests. By selecting wood lamps that are crafted from responsibly sourced materials, homeowners can make a positive contribution to environmental sustainability while enhancing their living spaces. Additionally, the craftsmanship involved in creating wooden lamps often reflects a commitment to quality and durability. Many wooden lamps are handmade or produced by artisans who take pride in their work. This attention to detail not only results in unique pieces, but also ensures that the lamps are built to last. Investing in well-crafted wooden lamps can provide long-term benefits, reducing the need for frequent replacements and contributing to a more sustainable lifestyle. The tactile nature of wood also adds to the sensory experience of a space. Unlike synthetic materials, wood has a warmth and texture that can be felt and seen. This tactile quality can enhance the overall comfort of a room, making it feel more inviting. Incorporating wood lamps into your decor can create a more grounded and natural environment, fostering a connection to nature that many individuals find soothing. Another compelling reason to decorate with wood lamps is their ability to serve as statement pieces. A unique or artistically designed wood lamp can become a focal point in a room, drawing the eye and sparking conversation. Whether it's a lamp with intricate carvings or a bold, sculptural design, these pieces can add character and personality to your decor. This ability to stand out while still complementing the surrounding furnishings makes wooden lamps an excellent choice for those looking to express their individuality through their home decor. Wood lamps also offer opportunities for personalization. Many artisans and designers create customizable options, allowing customers to select the type of wood, finish, and style that best fits their preferences. This level of personalization ensures that each lamp is not only functional, but also a reflection of the homeowner's taste and style. Choosing unique, personalized lighting can create a more cohesive and harmonious design throughout a space. In terms of maintenance, wood lamps generally require minimal care compared to other materials. Regular dusting and occasional polishing can keep them looking their best, ensuring that the natural beauty of the wood shines through. This ease of maintenance makes wood lamps a practical choice for busy households, allowing homeowners to enjoy their decor without the added stress of extensive upkeep. The integration of wood lamps into a space can also enhance the overall design narrative. When selecting decor, the elements within a room should tell a cohesive story. Wood lamps can serve as a bridge between different design elements, helping to create a unified aesthetic. For example, pairing a wood lamp with other wooden elements, such as furniture or decor accents, can strengthen the connection between various components of the room. This attention to detail and design not only elevates the overall appearance, but also contributes to a more thoughtful and intentional living environment. The use of wood in lighting design can also be a conversation starter. As more people become interested in design and decor, having unique pieces that reflect craftsmanship and artistry can lead to engaging discussions. Sharing the story behind a particular lamp, such as the source of the wood or the artist's inspiration, can create a connection with guests and encourage a deeper appreciation for the decor within your home. Additionally, the trend toward biophilic design, an approach that seeks to connect people with nature, has gained traction in recent years. Incorporating wood lamps into home decor aligns perfectly with this philosophy, as they bring natural elements indoors. This connection to nature has been shown to enhance well-being, reduce stress, and improve overall quality of life. By choosing wooden lamps, homeowners can create spaces that promote a sense of calm and serenity. Decorating with wood lamps also allows for a level of creativity and experimentation. The diverse range of designs available means that homeowners can mix and match styles to create their desired look. Whether combining modern wooden lamps with vintage furnishings or pairing them with contemporary decor, the possibilities are endless. This flexibility encourages personal expression and creates a dynamic living environment that evolves with the homeowner's tastes and preferences. The role of wooden lamps in creating a cohesive lighting scheme should not be overlooked. Lighting is a critical component of interior design that can influence how a space feels and functions. By incorporating wooden lamps alongside other lighting sources, such as overhead fixtures, wall sconces, and accent lights, homeowners can create a layered lighting effect that enhances both the functionality and aesthetics of a room. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked creative wood lamp ideas to decorate your living spaces. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.